Hi, welcome to Omcan's Test Kitchen, and today we are presenting our convection oven. We have 4 trays to put our half pans in. We have our turn dials for temperature going up to 500 Fahrenheit, and we also have a timer that has a ding when it comes out. These are great for fast service kitchens, for fast service cafes. We also have built-in fan in here so that it always goes and circulates the air for even and essential cooking. This oven does come with 4 wire racks. Top tray is usually best for when you're trying to boil something and it goes to the top. Bottom is more on the slow cooking side, whereas the 2 in the middle is more for even cooking all around. Oven settings is great for seafood, bringing your meats up to temperature. It's also good for baking that does not self-rise in baking like cakes. It will sink because of the convection oven part. We also have the full size and the quarter size. That means full size sheet pans and quarter size sheet pans as well. On top of that, we saw the diversity of the salmon, potatoes. Now we have cookies in here. You can also make steaks, beef, any type of beef, and any other seafoods besides salmon. You can also make any other baking goods, just not ones that rise.